Guys, how you doing? This is Jimmy Wu. I'm here at All-Fly on a Friday evening. We're gonna work all weekend. Just want to show you one of our product lines, an A320 AOG for a mid-flap that's going over to Europe. We put this thing together in 5 working days. All of the guys and the girls in our facility work day and night. As you can see, everything on here is brand new. We put on there all the new seals. It's really going back in a brand new condition. I mean, there are so many intricate pieces to get this part ready. It had to be stripped down from scratch and rebuilt. It is really a remanufactured unit that's going here. You got the main mid-flap that's over here, and then you have the trim tab that's here. It's all mechanical unit. Very, very different from what you would look like on a 737 NG or even a 737 MAX aircraft where it has the carriages. This is on a track system, completely repainted, stretched down, NDT, the whole thing done, hand damage inspection. Just want to show you guys one of the products lines that we put out literally every single day here at All-Fly. All of the flight surface control, whether it's an A320, 737, Boeing, CRJ, or regional jet product line. This is the type of products that we put out, and we do it with speed, we do it with quality, we do it with reliability. So give us a shout if you have flight surface control needs, if you need a repair. We have hundreds of thousands of parts, 400,000 rollable parts in stock available for exchange, and the men and women here at All-Fly will get it done for you 24/7. Thank you very much.